Jake was driving, planning to take his family out for a picnic in the countryside. The car had just gotten out of the city limits when there was a clunk. The steering wheel suddenly started shaking violently. It must have needed an oil change, so he found me. He decided to get a full service while he was at it. Now, watch me work.
Hey boys and girls, listen to me. I wanna tell you now. That tonight we are all inside you, and I feel so Put your hands. I been down what I need, wanna be your baby.
Okay.
Hey boys and girls, listen to me.
Okay.